Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the grammar portion of chapter 5. Okay, that is number and gender. Dear students, there are two topics given, number and gender. And we have read the topic numbers and gender both. And I have told you what is number, that is counting. There are two kinds of number, that is singular number and plural number. I have also discussed several rules from changing from singular to plural. You have written in your notebook, you can see from there. And another topic that we have discussed, that is gender. Okay, that denotes the person is male or female. Okay, that and there are four kinds of gender I have told you: masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, and neutral gender. And you have also written all the notes related to the number and gender in your notebook, so you can check from there. And dear students, we have also discussed the exercises given in the chapter number 5 at the page number 29. First exercise I have discussed, second and third we have completed. Exercise first, second and third you have completed, I hope. And today we will discuss the exercise number 4 of this chapter number 5, that exercise number 4. What is the question? Exercise number 4. And what is the question here? Change the gender. Okay, CHANGE, change the gender. Okay students, this is your question, change the gender. This is your question. Just see student, there are some words are given here. First word is given lion. Okay, first word is given lion. We have to change the gender of lion. And another is daughter, DAUGSTER. These things you have read in the previous class also, daughters. And there is one more, that is hostess. Okay, hostess. We have to change the gender of it. Gentlewoman. You see student, gentlewoman. TLE woman. Just next question, gentlewoman. Next, priced. PRIEST, priced. Okay, next question, horse. HORSE. Okay, students, these are the words. We have to change the gender of it. Okay, students, all these things given in your note, in your book, and I hope that you can do it by your own. It is very easily. The feminine gender, that is masculine gender, lion, and we will change the gender of it, that would be the lioness. Okay students, lioness. You will write lioness. Just write it, lioness. Next, that is daughter. And what would be the opposite or feminine gender of that? That is feminine gender. We have to change it masculine gender. That is son. Okay, daughter is feminine gender and son is masculine gender. Come to the next, hostess. And we will write here host. Hostess is feminine gender and host is masculine gender. Next question, gentlewoman. We have, that is in feminine gender, we have to write the masculine gender, gentleman. Okay students, so just write it, gentlewoman and gentleman. Okay, next question, priced is given here, priced is PRI, that is masculine gender, EST, priced is. Okay, next, horse is given here, that is masculine gender. What would be the feminine gender of that? Male. Okay students, so we can see here, lion, lioness, daughter, son, hostess, host, gentlewoman, that is gentlewoman, priced, priced, horse, male. Okay students, so fill in the blanks. It is given at the page number 29. You will fill it in your book. No need to write in the notebook. Okay students, I hope that you all have understood the things. Now come to the next exercise, exercise number 5. Now we will discuss the exercise number 5. It is also given at the page number 29 and 30 also. Okay students, so complete it very soon. I am going to erase it. I hope that you all have understood and you all have done. Therefore, I am going to erase it. Come to the next question. What is the next question, student? Just see. Just write it. Question number 5. What is question number 5? Tick on the correct word. You have to tick. You have to tick on the correct word. Tick on the correct word. There is option given on the correct word. This is your question. This is your question. In the exercise number 5, you have to tick on the correct word. Now we will see the question. First question. What is given? First question. His. Just see, student. His is given. Here in the bracket, it is written what? Husband and wife. Okay, Husband Husband and wife. You have to select only one. Husband and wife. Treated him. Treated. Treated. Treated him. Dear students, it is also in bracket. Him or her. Kindly. Okay, students, just see kindly. Kindly. Okay, students, this is the sentence. What is the question? His husband or wife treated him or her kindly. Dear students, you have to find out the exact gender, correct gender, and you have to tick on that. Dear students, his is written here. It means that is male. Dear students, you all know that the word his used for male and the word her used for female. So here his is used. Therefore, we have to select that is masculine gender. So we can see here what would be the correct option? His wife. His husband तो हो नहीं सकता. Okay, so that is his wife. Okay, his wife treated him. There is masculine gender. Therefore, you will also use your masculine gender. So you will tick on the option wife. His wife. Okay, his wife treated him kindly. His wife treated him kindly. Okay, so you will tick on the option wife as well as in the question number first. Now we will discuss the question number second. It is given at the page number 30. Just open the page number 30. What is the question? The boy and girl. The boy. Yes, it is written in bracket. The boy and girl. The boy and girl. You have to select one. Lost her bag. Now you have to use your common sense. When do we use the word her? For female, for feminine gender. Therefore, according to this pronoun, we will use the noun. Okay? The girl lost her bag. The girl lost her bag. According to this pronoun, we will use the noun girl. We will select the noun. Okay? If there is boy, then there will be his. Okay? If there is her, then there will be girl. If there is his, then there will be boy. Okay, students, so you keep in your mind that we use the word her for female, for feminine gender, and we use the word him or his for masculine gender. Okay, students, so you will tick on the option girl. The girl lost her bag. This is the correct option. Okay, students, come to the next question. Question number 3. Just see here in the bracket, it is already written his and her. Okay, you have to select only one. Now in another bracket it is written father or mother. We have to select the suitable gender, correct gender, father or mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Just see. Father, mother. Served him like a nurse. Served, S-E-R-V-E-D. Served him like a nurse. Like a nurse. N-U-R-S-E. Okay, students, this is the sentence. It is already given in your book. You can see. His or her father served him like a nurse. Just see here. Her mother. Her mother. Okay, her mother. Served him because there is masculine gender, him. It means it is used for masculine, it is used for male. So here would be the female. Okay, her mother. Mother के लिए करेंगे तो her. Her mother served him like a nurse, and nurse is female. Therefore, we will select here the pronoun her. Mother served him like a nurse. That is the correct sentence. Okay. You see, her mother served him like a nurse. So you will tick on the option her and mother. Okay, students? In this way, the sentence will be her mother served him like a nurse. Next question, question number 4. Just see, what is the question number 4? Students, just see the question number 4. The bridegroom is P-R-I-D G-R-O-G-R-O-M, bridegroom, and there is option bride. Okay, you all know the meaning of bridegroom and bride. Bridegroom is dulha and bride is dulhan. Okay, the bride saved, S-A-V-E-D, saved his, her, you have to select only one, his or her. Just see. Husband from there. Husband from F-R-O-M, from there. I am writing here. Okay, students, just see. The bridegroom or bride served him or her husband from death. Saved. Just see, bride. Dear student, there is husband. It means who saved the husband? Wife. Okay. So that is feminine gender. Bride is feminine gender. Bride is dulhan. So that is feminine gender. The bride served to whom? Her husband. Her husband, अपने husband को. The bride saved her husband from death. Okay, students? This is the correct sentence. The bride, you will tick on the option bride, saved her husband. Her husband. Okay? We are choosing here the word bride, therefore we will choose here the word her. Pronoun her. Husband from death. Okay, students, so you will tick on the option bride and the pronoun her. Okay, students, I hope that you all have understood the things. Gender, you have to use, you have to select the proper gender. Okay, the correct gender. Come to the next question, question number 5. Just see, student, what is the question? The teacher punished boy or girl. The teacher furnished the boy, boy, or girl, girl. Okay, it is in bracket. We have to select only one. The teacher punished the boy or girl who had not finished, who had not finished her homework. Let us just see. Her homework is given here. Homework. Just see the question. Your question is, the teacher punished the boy and girl who had not finished her. There is pronoun her. It denotes the feminine gender. Therefore, we will select the feminine gender girl. Okay, students. So, what would be the correct option? Girl. The teacher punished the girl who had not finished her. On the basis of the word, on the basis of this pronoun her, we will select the word, we will select the noun girl. Okay, students, that is the correct sentence. The teacher punished the girl who had not finished her homework. Okay, students. So, in this way, we have completed the exercise number 5 of chapter 5. Now, we will discuss the exercise number 6. Yes, students, if you have any kind of problem in this exercise, you can ask on WhatsApp. Okay, students, so now we will discuss the exercise number 6. Just see, students, what is the question? Next question, exercise number 6. Just see what is exercise number 6, in which you have to do change the gender in the following sentence. You have to change the gender in the following sentence and make necessary change and rewrite the sentence. And you have to rewrite the sentence again. Okay, you have to change the gender. First of all, your question is that change the gender. Change the gender. Sorry, change the gender in the given sentence. This is your question. Change the gender. Next, now we will see the question. According to, it is written here, according to Hindu mythology, just see, according to Hindu mythology, several goddesses, several means so many, goddess, Goddes, goddess, that is in feminine. Several goddess, it is written in plural. Just see, several goddess, Goddes, that is in plural. Several goddess have divine power. Okay, students, this is the question. Now you have to change the gender. First of all, you have to find out the noun. That is noun, goddess. That is feminine gender. And you have to change it. And you have to rewrite the sentence. You will change only that, goddess. Okay, what would be the correct sentence? Just, I am going to erase it. Okay, students, if you have any kind of problem, you can ask. Just see the question. According to Hindu mythology, several goddesses have divine power. We will write here the same sentence, rewrite again. According to, a space is already given in your book, you will fill in your book only. No need to write in the notebook. According to Hindu mythology, Hindu mythology. Just see here. According to Hindu mythology, several gods. Okay, several gods. Gods. It is in plural, and it is in masculine gender. Goddess is feminine gender, and the god, the word god, gods, that is masculine gender, have divine power. Have divine power. Okay, students. So correct sentence will be, according to the Hindu mythology, several gods. You will change the word goddess. At the place of goddess, you will write the word gods. Had divine power. Okay, students. So I hope that you all have understood the things. Come to the next question. What is the next question? The monk was explaining. Monk means it is a kind of he is a sage. Sage is saint in Christianity. Monk. M-O-N-K. Monk means sadhu. You can say. The monk was explaining. P-L-A-I-N-I-N-G. This is your question, student. Just see. The monk was explaining his story. Okay, student, light has gone. Therefore, there may be some problem. The monk was explaining his story. Dear students, at the place of monk, you will write none. You will write here none. What will be the correct sentence? The nun was explaining, P-L-A-I-N-I-N-G, her. At the place of his, you will write her story. Okay, students. So what would be the sentence? The nun was explaining her story. Okay, students. Here there are two changing. At the place of monk, you will write nun. At the place of his, you will write her. Okay, students. So in this way, we have not completed this exercise. I have completed only two questions. Your question number third, 4, 5. Okay, these questions are your homework. You will try to do. Okay, students. If you have any kind of problem, you can ask. That's all for today. Okay, students. Thank you.